Every night, before you close your eyes, there is one thought that decides your tomorrow. Will you rise as a star or fade away unnoticed? The truth is simple. You already carry the fire, but most people never ignite it. If you are listening right now, it is not an accident. This is your moment. This is your sign. And tonight, I will remind you of a truth that can change your entire life. You are unstoppable. But wait, before I reveal this, I want you to do something. Hit that subscribe button right now, because what you're about to hear is not just motivation. It's your personal call to greatness. And in the comments, write, "I am unstoppable." Because the moment you declare it, the universe starts listening. Now, listen carefully, because from this point forward, nothing will ever feel the same again. Point 1. The power of your voice can break chains. Your voice is not just sound. It carries your pain, your passion, your dreams, and your truth. When you speak, when you sing, when you perform, the world doesn't just hear words, they feel your soul. But here's the secret very few know. Your voice can either chain you or free you. If you believe in fear, your voice will tremble. If you believe in doubt, your voice will crack. But when you believe, truly believe, that you are unstoppable, your voice becomes unshakable. And remember this, every superstar you admire was once just like you, scared, nervous, unsure, but they chose to let their voice rise above the noise. And that single choice changed everything. If you are feeling this message right now, drop a comment, "My voice has power." Because the moment you affirm it, you start living it. And hey, don't just listen, become part of this journey. Hit subscribe so you never miss these reminders that keep your fire alive. Your voice is waiting to break free. Will you let it? Point 2. The night is your secret weapon. Have you ever wondered why nights feel different? When the world is quiet, when the noise disappears, that is the time when your true self speaks the loudest. Night is not just for sleep, it is for transformation. It is the moment when doubt tries to creep in, when fear whispers, "You are not enough." But it is also the moment when champions are born. Because those who choose to fill their nights with power wake up with fire in their hearts. Imagine this. Every single night, before you sleep, you tell yourself, "I am unstoppable." Do you realize what happens? Your mind begins to reprogram. Your voice begins to carry confidence, and the world starts to listen. Type in the comments right now, "Tonight, I claim my power." Because when you declare it, your nights stop being ordinary. They become your secret weapon. And yes, if this is hitting your heart right now, subscribe, because I promise you, every night from today, you will rise stronger, louder, unshakable. Remember, the night tests you, but only those who own their nights own their destiny. Point 3. Fame follows those who dare to believe. Listen carefully. Fame is not an accident. It is not luck. It is not just talent. It is a decision, a declaration that you will no longer hide your light. The world is full of voices, millions shouting, millions trying, but only a few rise above. And do you know why? Because they dared to believe when no one else did. Think about it. Every great star once stood in the shadows, wondering if anyone would ever notice them. But they made a choice. They said, "I will shine even if no one is watching yet." And slowly, the world turned their eyes toward them. And you, yes, you, listening right now, you have that same fire inside. The question is, will you believe in yourself long enough for the world to see it? Drop a comment, "I believe in my shine," because the moment you type it, you are already stepping into that light. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button right now, because you are not just here to listen, you are here to rise. Fame doesn't chase the loudest, it chases the most fearless. Point 4. Pain is the fuel of your greatness. Let me tell you a truth. Every unstoppable voice you admire today carries scars. Scars of rejection, scars of failure, scars of nights when they almost gave up. But here is the secret the world won't tell you. Your pain is not your weakness. Your pain is your power. The cracks in your heart are where the light enters. The struggles you've faced are the fire that sharpens your voice. When you perform, when you speak, when you sing with that pain, people don't just hear you, they feel you. And that is what makes legends unforgettable. So if you're carrying wounds, don't hide them. Turn them into weapons. Every heartbreak, every no, every fall is shaping the unstoppable version of you. Write in the comments right now, "My pain is my power." And remember to subscribe, because this channel is not just for dreamers. It's for fighters who rise again and again. Never forget, the stars that shine the brightest are born in the darkest nights. Point 5. You were born to be unstoppable. Now listen, this is the moment. All your doubts, all your fears, all those nights you questioned yourself, they end here. Because deep inside, you already know the truth. You were never ordinary. You were never meant to blend in. You were born to rise. You were born to be unstoppable. Do you feel it? That fire in your chest right now? That is not random. That is your destiny calling your name. Every time you choose courage over fear, every time you stand back up after falling, every time you let your voice break the silence, you step closer to the greatness that has been waiting for you all along. Write it in the comments right now. I am unstoppable. Don't whisper it. Don't doubt it. Declare it. Claim it. Because the world will not remember those who stayed silent. It will remember the ones who refused to quit. So, if your heart is pounding right now, hit that subscribe button. Join this journey. Because together, we are not just chasing dreams. We are building legacies. Close your eyes tonight and remember these words. You are not weak. You are not broken. You are not invisible. You are unstoppable. And the world is waiting for your voice. Your journey starts tonight. Tonight, you made a choice to believe, a choice to rise, a choice to let your voice be heard. Remember this, greatness doesn't come to those who wait. It comes to those who act. It comes to those who refuse to let fear decide their story. So as you go to sleep tonight, carry this thought in your heart. I am unstoppable. I am powerful. I am worthy of success and fame. And tomorrow, let your voice shake the world. Let your passion create your reality. Let your fire inspire everyone around you. Don't forget, hit subscribe to join this unstoppable journey. Share your thoughts in the comments. Tell me how you're claiming your power tonight. And if this video moved you, like it, save it, and return to it whenever you need that reminder. Because the fire inside you never dies. It only grows stronger. Close your eyes, feel your power, and remember, you are unstoppable, and the world is ready for you.